Adjust to the light, adjust to the light. Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we're going to Mexico. Do I deliver or do I deliver? Puerto Vallarta. Local time is 4:20. Okay, so we're here. We've made it to Mexico. Our travel day is officially donezo. Derek and Caro, who you might have seen a little bit in this video, but probably not a lot, because we didn't sit together on the plane, but they got their room downstairs. They're about a floor underneath us. And then we're just getting settled in here. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out the lighting. So we're just getting settled into our room. It's about dinner time, so we're probably just gonna like get ourselves situated and then go for food and call it a day. So that's the end of my travel day. Next video, I'm gonna give you guys the whole tour, room tour, and hotel tour and all of that jazz, so stick around for that. And until then, stay great, travel safe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't wanna miss it. Bye! Is that view gonna work for you?
A little sunny though. You just turn that down a little bit.
Just make it less sunny.
Yeah.